You can say like women give birth to a baby.
Right.
So right from creation to
Expansion.
making them. Yes. Okay. So being a woman, first of all, what I can say is we are more empathetic,
Yes.
compassionate, and precise when
Subtle.
compared to the men. Yeah. So those qualities, along with our professional treatment, definitely gives a different touch to
Yes.
what I do. So misconceptions, yes, because of this patriarchal society what we live in. Definitely, people think women, cannot handle a business or they cannot take care. They are supposed to be at home. It is not like that. See, women, as I said, all these compassion, empathy. Apart from that, they do multitasking.
Multitasking, right.
Yes. So that it is not like women cannot do a business. She can do anything. Cosmo Dental Care, we have a practice. First, I will tell about the treatment rooms.
Okay.
So the treatment rooms that are designed, the kind of flooring we have used, it's an antibacterial epoxy flooring.
Okay.
And even the walls, if you see, these kind of puff panels, they're actually used in a pharmacological.
So you are given
a specialist in that.
Okay, so it is not like one person doing everything. You have a
Yes.
specialist for each and every.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
So I think that is one major advantage and major USP. That
Yeah, of course. And most of the clinics don't practice this way, but we wanted to, set a standard for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, Akanksha ji.
Hello, sir.
Thank you for inviting us over here.
Thank you for coming and
Yes.
giving your time.
So, me and Akanksha ji, we are part of BNI Emperor's chapter.
Yes.
And today I am here at Cosmo Dental Clinic, one of the most, 5-star kind of a
Cosmo Dental Care.
Cosmo Dental Care that I'm able to witness here.
Yeah.
And really, I see a very nice setup that you have done.
Yeah, yes. Actually, I didn't want it to look like a normal clinic.
Okay.
I wanted to give a homely feel, as well as the treatment rooms you have seen. They should be, up to the standards.
Right.
So that is why we put in a lot of effort in designing and doing the things.
Great. So, Akanksha ji, as you know, I represent DigiSamvad HR services.
Yes.
So, through DigiSamvad HR services, we try to take interviews with professionals like you, and we try to understand the journey behind this, your journey behind how this Cosmo Dental Clinic was set up, or your past experience and your journey towards this. So, I'll be asking you a few questions. Please feel free and share your thoughts. So, my first question, Akanksha ji, is how did Cosmo Dental Care come into existence? How did you start this?
Sir, so actually, first I did my BDS, like bachelor's, and then I worked under a senior doctor.
Okay.
And then I established my clinic in Secunderabad area. So I practiced there for 10 years.
Okay.
And then I wanted to do something, really big and impactful. And so that is how we chose this place. So I wanted to, in the meantime, I joined my MDS. So I did my master's in maxillofacial surgery.
Okay.
So there I could see a lot of scope and advanced treatments which I could deliver. So that is how we planned to set up a clinic like Cosmo Dental Care.
So since when is this setup established?
So this clinic, this Cosmo Dental Care was established in December 2023.
2023. And
Yes.
since when are you in this field? Means you have done 10 years already.
Yeah, it's like I have a 15 plus years experience. So I am
Okay.
in this field since 2008.
Okay, so around 15 years of experience.
Yes.
So we are in good hands.
Yeah, of course.
So Akanksha ji, what was the biggest challenge in starting your own clinic, and how did you overcome it? Did you face any challenges?
Yeah, of course. It had a few challenges. The first and foremost was, to find a perfect location for the clinic.
Right.
And then, so me and my husband, हम लोग रोज निकलते थे to search for a place where, we can, it should be like क्या बोलेंगे उसको, prominent area.
Prominent.
Yeah, a landmark where, we
Easy
have
to
good
reach.
clientele also, and good reach. Parking, बहुत सारे issues थे.
Right.
So select a location. So location was the first and foremost thing. So luckily we found this place.
Okay.
And then finances, of course, जो सबसे बड़ी चीज होती है.
Actually.
So finances के लिए we had to take loan and all. So
Right.
we got help from that. And apart from all that, clinic the interior designing. So how it should look, how pleasing, aesthetic. At the same time, it should be functional, comfortable.
And
So there
welcoming
were
to the
yeah,
patient.
definitely.
Yes.
So these were so many things we had to look into. So that is how we designed all this.
Yeah. And I also observe you feel like very welcoming over here when you come inside the
Yeah.
clinic.
Thank you.
It is very nice and warm and bright.
Yeah.
And we have also recorded a video wherein we will show all the services, different treatments that Akanksha madam gives
Yes.
in that video. So next, Akanksha ji, how has being part of BNI influenced your business and personal growth?
Being a part of BNI has helped me a lot, both professionally and personally as well, for my personal growth. It has improved my leadership qualities, and BNI actually feels like my extended family.
Actually,
So I'm very happy that I, got associated with the BNI. The members, they are more like my family, and the most prominent thing is like you have different professionals there,
right?
and you're connecting with them directly, and you take support emotionally ho yeah anything for your business. So it is very good actually. Being a part of BNI has helped me a lot.
Even I can vouch for that, and I have myself personally experienced this.
Yeah.
A good network, you are able to connect to different industries,
Exactly.
and
More
helpful.
than getting business and all, it is like we grow together.
Actually, yeah. As you rightly said, extended family.
Yeah.
Sometimes we miss the BNI meetings if you
Yeah.
don't attend it.
Yeah, exactly.
On women, women in healthcare question. As a woman entrepreneur, what unique steps do you feel you bring to your profession and business?
Okay, so being a woman, first of all, what I can say is we are more empathetic, compassionate, and precise when compared to the men. Yeah. So those qualities, along with our professional treatment, definitely gives a different touch to what I do.
Yeah, I feel that. I mean, even in our any interactions that I have with you, I always feel you are a very kind-hearted and soft-spoken person, and you have empathy. That is what is required in this field, right?
Yes.
What are some misconceptions people have about women leadership? Actually, women leadership roles in current healthcare industries. Do you feel like that? Are there any misconceptions?
Misconceptions, yes, because of this patriarchal society what we live in. Definitely, people think women, cannot handle a business or they cannot take care. They are supposed to be at home. It is not like that. See, women, as I said, all these compassion, empathy. Apart from that, they do multitasking. Right. Yes. So that it is not like women cannot do a business. She can do anything. Yeah, she has the will to do anything.
If given a chance, women can do everything, because already at home I have seen my mom, my wife, they are doing everything.
Yeah. It is. So because as you can say, like women give birth to a baby. Right. So right from creation to making them. Yes, definitely.
Now let's come to branding. Yeah. Branding and team building. Regarding that, what makes Cosmo Dental Care stand out? Stand out for your patients? What would you say compared to other, not other services, but what is the USP of Cosmo Dental Care?
See, in Cosmo Dental Care, we have a practice. First, I will tell about the treatment rooms.
Okay.
So the treatment rooms that are designed, the kind of flooring we have used, it's an antibacterial epoxy flooring.
Okay.
And even the walls, if you see, these kind of puff panels, they're actually used in a pharmacological.
So you have really thought about the
yes, exactly. Yes, exactly. Because we don't want a normal wall or a flooring where you have that dust setting in. So these are easy to clean, antibacterial. Sterilization and disinfection is easy.
Okay.
So each and all these minute things also, all these thoughts also we have put in.
Right.
And of course the equipment, what we use. We have all the high-end equipments.
Right.
The latest technologies. We have the intraoral scanner, digital X-ray, and many more like that.
And I see one cosmetology room also. So what exactly is this?
See, cosmetology room, as being a maxillofacial surgeon, I also practice facial aesthetics and hair transplants.
Okay.
So here, what we do is we do facial treatments such as any deformity which has to be corrected, minor surgical procedures.
Okay.
Facial aesthetics, as in the skin which has a dull skin, or even acne problem, who has acne pits. So we do GFC, PRP for hair, like hair fall and hair transplant.
Okay. So that is what cosmetology is.
Yes.
Great. And what all other services do you provide apart from cosmetology and dentistry?
No, it is like a complete dental and cosmetology and hair treatments.
Okay, cosmetology, dental and hair treatment. Yeah. Everything in one place.
Yes. And USP of our clinic is like, see, there are 9 different branches in dentistry. So for each specialty, we have a specialist come in and do the treatments. It is not like I do everything or some other doctor does everything. So I'm a maxillofacial surgeon. I treat my specialty.
Okay.
So we have endodontist consultants who come and who, like, endodontists are root canal
Root
specialists.
canal treatment.
So they come, they do their treatment. So we have prosthodontist. Prosthodontist is the one who's giving crowns, the caps on the
Okay,
teeth, and
okay.
other procedures. So they come in. Then we have periodontists who are gum specialists. So they come in for the gum procedures, gum
Okay.
surgery. So each and every treatment what we provide to our patient is done by a specialist in that field.
Okay, so it is not like one person doing everything. You have a
Yes.
specialist for each and every
Yes,
part.
exactly. Yes.
So I think that is one major advantage and major USP that
Yeah,
you have.
of course. And most of the clinics don't practice this way, but we wanted to, set a standard for our treatment.
Yeah. So as I said, we are not just in good hands, but we are in many good hands.
Yeah, actually.
Just how do you build and maintain a team culture that reflects your clinic's values? Now you must be having a team setup over here.
Yes.
So how do you maintain that? How means I've seen you are having a lot of fun because I see your reels. So the environment is already very happy because you must guys follow and see the Cosmodental Instagram handle.
Yeah.
I'll put the link in the description. So they make very innovative and very fun, but along with fun, it is educational also.
Yeah.
So apart from reels, how are you keeping the work culture and how are you keeping the team morale high?
See, basically our team, I would say I'm lucky to have my doctors who are very cooperative,
Okay.
innovative, and they give ideas, aise karte hain, waise karte hain, and that is how we make those reels. And then at the work end, see, it is like we learn from each other. It is not that I, being a senior doctor, मैं बोलती हूँ ऐसे करो ऐसे.
Not at all.
Not like that. I don't, have authority over.
You are not forcing us.
Yeah, I'm not forcing it.
You are keeping it democratic.
Yes, it is like we work in a friendly manner. It is, see, BNI is a family, and now here I have my junior doctors as my family.
Yes.
So I don't treat them as outsiders or अच्छा ये doctor ये कर रहे हैं. No, they are, like friends and family. So
Okay,
that
so-
is how I,
Very homely and friendly environment within the office also.
yeah.
Yes. Great. So in today's digital world, how important do you think employer branding and visibility are for small businesses? Like we are now doing this podcast or we are doing this blog and we will be putting this on YouTube.
Yes.
That way we are bringing, we are using some digital technology for branding of Cosmodental.
Yes.
So such kind of an activity, how important it is for other small businesses also?
See, it is actually very important because आजकल सब digital ही है.
जो दिखता है,
जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So digital marketing is very important, and the services what you are doing in Digi Samvad,
Yes.
that is like the thing which we have to be done.
Okay.
So it is very important.
Yeah, so,
Otherwise, people will they cannot recognize you.
means you need to be findable, you need to be
Yes,
searchable on
the visibility
internet.
and all is very important, and this really helps.
So through DigiSamvad HR services, we try to conduct such interviews and help the business owner gain some visibility.
Yeah.
And that is what kind of my give to BNI because
Yeah, that is a very thoughtful and a very good initiative. Thank you.
Thank you for that. Actually, I got this opportunity because I became a part of BNI. So I should say thanks to BNI actually.
Yeah.
About collaborations, how has content like interviews or podcasts help into building trust with potential customers? Because I've seen one of your podcasts earlier also.
Yes.
So do you feel such podcasts help you gain more visibility and more customers?
Yeah, definitely. So with the first podcast, I would say the video, it was just about normal brushing, and we got around 10.9 million views.
Wow.
So it got connected with the people. So definitely my reach has increased.
Right.
People got to know कि of course there were some negative comments, positive comments, appreciation wale comments and everything, but definitely it has increased the brand value
Yes.
and the reach of my business.
And one last final question. Any new entrepreneur who is, specifically a woman new entrepreneur is coming into this field of business, what advice you would give them through this channel, through this vlog?
I would say you can do anything. Whatever you feel, just write down ye karna hai, and don't get into like what if they think कि मैं ये कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं. Don't think about negative about yourself. Just go ahead and do it.
Okay. Thank you, Akanksha ji,
Thank
for
you,
this
sir. Thank you,
short and
Sachin.
sweet interview. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please comment. And I will be putting the details about Cosmodental Clinic, the website, the mobile number if you have for booking,
Yeah, sure.
and also office location on our YouTube channel. So please visit Cosmo Dental Clinic. And one additional thing
Yeah.
which
Even I would like to add one thing. Like we should be taking services from Mr. Sachin, his experience and the DigiSamvad, जो digital marketing and the other services is doing. Definitely, you should also.
Thank you for that. One additional thing which I was going to tell is, if you come here and you are waiting, you get a world-class full body massage chair.
Yeah, that is the highlight of our clinic. That's a zero gravity chair and it is complimentary.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.